Hello students, welcome to AC Engineering. On this video, I am going to explain you the design and implementation of binary to gray code converter. Obviously, this is a single experiment, but for detailed explanation requires a lot of time. That's why I split up this video into two. But for your observation and a record purpose, you have to write it in a same experiment, as a same experiment. For the benefit of a new people to have unlimited time explanations, I split up this video into two. First, I will explain you the design and implementation of binary to gray code conversion. But the title is Design and Implementation of Binary to Gray Code Converter and vice versa using logic gates. What's the meaning of vice versa? Those who doesn't understand the meaning may write it as gray to binary, binary to gray and gray to binary code conversion using logic gates. So this is our aim. You have to write it aim as it is. This experiment requires a component of 7486. We'll go with an explanation on what is a code converter first and how to make a binary to gray code conversion. See, the code converter is a circuit that makes two systems compatible though each uses different binary code. Since we design a 4-bit converter, for example, make it as 4 inputs via A, B, C, D, and here we took outputs as W, X, Y, and Z. We'll see the binary to gray code conversion. This gray code is otherwise called as a reflective code. So in order to convert the given binary number into gray code, we need to follow these two steps. First, retain MSB as such and add the successive digits to obtain the 4-bit gray code. Now I will explain you with one example, then you can familiarize with the other steps for a sequence. I am taking an 4-bit. For example, for a better understanding, I am using a different color. For example, I am taking 4 bits via 0, 0, 1, 0. What is the first step? As per the step, retain MSB as it is. So I am retaining an MSB as it is 0. Then what is the second step? During the second step, add the consequent digits to obtain the 4-bit grade. Add the consequent steps means now XR the consequent steps XR. So what we got? 0, 0 as 0. Now make a next successive XR. 0, 1 as 1. Now next successive XR. 1, 0 as 1. So while you have an binary inputs as 0, 0, 0, 1, our output should be 0, 0, 1, 1. So the advantages of this binary to gray code conversion, it's a single bit change, so very easy to understand and error detection is easier. Now students, you go with an binary to gray code conversion truth table. So in a truth table for a 4-bit, we have an inputs as A, B, C and outputs as W, X, Y, Z. So the example what we took is a 0, 0, 1, 0. The output should be 0, 0, 1, 1. Similarly, you do practice for all the inputs starting from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1, 1. So observe the truth table carefully and note down the inputs and then outputs. The steps what we need to follow is retain MSB as such and add the successive digits to obtain the 4-bit gray code. Means successively XOR the bits one by one. Do practice, observe, and note down the means fill up the truth table. Then after the truth table, we need to construct a K-map. Hopefully in a theory you are a bit familiarized with an K-map. See here we have 4 outputs via W, X, Y, Z. So for each and every output we need to draw separate K-map. First we'll see for W. What are the inputs? A, B, C, D. So that here we have given A, B, C, D. Simply fill up an table. Simply fill up an table. So where we got an high outputs for W. For a W, we have an high outputs here for this combination. So for this combination, A, B bar, C bar, D bar. Then A, all A high. Then consequently we have different combinations. Like that you have to fill up an K-map. See for here we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Students, hope you are all much familiarized with the grouping of K-map. So while grouping the same, what is our output? W equal to A. W equal to A. So freeze it as it is. Then you do same K-map for the next output X. So for a next output X, where it gets an high outputs in this area. So fill up the same. See here A bar, B, C bar, D bar. Then A bar, B, C bar, D. Similarly, you have to fill up the columns 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then group the same. Group the same. So for here, what's our expression? It is A bar B. What is the expression here? Is A B bar. So what is the expression of X is equal to A bar B plus A B bar? If so, shall we write X is equal to A XOR B? That's fine. Then phrase this expression as it is for drawing the logic diagram. Similarly, we do draw the K-map for Y and Z. Well, students, now we go for an Y. So for Y, draw the K-map, construct an K-map for Y. When the Y were high, we have an combinations, means these 4 combinations and these 4 combinations. So construct an K-map. Now post all the things one by one here. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, then 1, 1. How to group the same? So while grouping, group it here and group here. And a group here. So what is the expression for Y? Now Y is equal to, here how can we write? See here as B and here C bar. So B C bar is one combination with here B bar C, while making both the combinations. Here B bar C means B C bar plus B bar C. It's none other than Y is equal to B XOR C. Now move for Z. So for Z, when Z will be high in these two combinations and these two combinations and these two combinations and the last these two combinations. So debit over all the high outputs in and came up for Z. It gives 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 over here, and do with a grouping. We need to group here and here. What is the value here? Is an C bar D. What is the value here? C D bar. So that we can write Z is equal to C bar D plus C D bar, which is none other than C XOR D. So freeze everything one by one and refresh the expressions. W equal to A, X is equal to A XOR B, Y is equal to B XOR C, Z is equal to C XOR D. For this, we need to draw the logic diagram. So for a logic diagram, W equal to A, so you have to take as it is. And then we need 3 XOR gates IC 7486. So take A and take B. Both are given to the XOR gate directly, so no other options. It is very easier to do. So we need only 3 XORs. Then B, C, then C, D combination. This is a simple logic diagram. So that what is the procedure for a binary to gray code conversion? Try to understand the logic. After logic, understanding and logic, draw the or construct the truth table. From a truth table, construct an K-map for individual outputs via W, X, Y, Z. Then simplify the K-map and you will get the expression. The procedure is also known one. Go through the videos once again for a better understanding for expression. Then after getting the expression, debit over all the things in a logic diagram. This is a simple way to understand. And students, this experiment not at all completed. For a time constraint, I wind up this video, and this video again extend as a next video for the vice versa case of gray to binary. Thank you students. Thanks for your support. After viewing the things, post a comment, and if you like, put a like button. Thank you students.